Enjoy the Muskoka lifestyle here in beautiful Gravenhurst. Located in a quiet and mature area, this home is just steps to Lorne Beach on Lake Muskoka, yet close to town for all your amenities. Hi, I'm Veronica McNamara with the Jackie Jones team over at Remax Crosstown. I'd like to introduce you to our newest listing at 955 Austin Street.
Who doesn't love a big, bright kitchen with loads of cupboard space, a fantastic island, and a huge eating area with oversized windows offering great sun exposure?
After a skate or a swim at the lake, cozy up in this well-appointed living room. Admire the custom trim and the hardwood floors throughout.
This home has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, including this lovely main bedroom with a private 3-piece ensuite.
This unspoiled basement is a great spot for a shop or even extra storage, but also offers an opportunity to finish to whatever your heart desires. Make note, there are 2 laundry hookups in this house, one upstairs and one downstairs for whatever your family needs are.
For more information on this listing and others, please visit us on all of our social media platforms or on our website at joneshomes.ca.